In this video, I'll guide you through how to log into your Google Workspace account and fix the most common sign-in errors you might run into. We'll focus on getting into Gmail for your work email and the Google Admin Console if you're an administrator, and we'll clear up the biggest source of confusion along the way. Let's start with the basics of logging into your Google Workspace Gmail. Open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This is the same address you might use for a personal Gmail account, but your Google Workspace login is different, so pay close attention to what you type. When the sign-in page appears, you'll see a field asking for your email. Here's the key identity rule you always want to remember. Log in using your full business email address, not a personal Gmail address. That means you should type something in the format of your name at yourcompany.com or whatever your organization's domain is. If you put in something that ends with @gmail.com, you're signing into a personal Google account, not your Google Workspace account. After you've entered your full work email address, click Next. On the password screen, type the password that your organization has given you for this account, or the one you set up yourself if you were prompted to create one. If you're on a shared or public computer, avoid saving your password in the browser and make sure you sign out when you're done. Once you successfully sign in, you'll see your Gmail inbox for your work email. You can confirm you're using the right account by looking at the profile picture or initial in the top right corner and checking that the address shown there matches your business email, not a personal one. Now let's talk about getting into the Google Admin Console, which is where administrators manage users, security, and settings for the whole organization. This part is only for people who have admin rights. If you're not an administrator, you won't be able to access it, even if you have a Google Workspace email. To open the admin console, go to admin.google.com in your browser. Again, that identity rule is important here. You must sign in with your full business email that has admin privileges. If you accidentally use a personal @gmail.com address, you'll run into a common error. One of the most frequent messages people see here is admin console is for Google Workspace accounts only. When you see this, it usually means you're trying to sign in with a personal Google account instead of your organization's Google Workspace account. To fix this, click to go back to the sign-in screen and this time enter your full work email address, including your organization's domain, then your password. If you manage multiple Google accounts in your browser, it can be easy to get mixed up. A simple way to avoid this is to sign out of any extra accounts first or use a separate browser profile for your work account. When in doubt, always check the email address shown on the sign-in screen before you continue. To recap, the most important thing is to always use your complete business email address when signing in, especially for the admin console. That one habit will prevent most sign-in errors and help you get into the right Google Workspace account every time.